Hey everyone, and welcome back to Lipstick Affair with me, Miss Mo. So today, this video is going to be a product review of the Lip Bar lipstick, and I'm super excited because I've been hearing some great things about Lip Bar, and I know they've been out for a while, and I'm late to the game, but I'm still excited about this review because I like getting new lipstick, and yeah, let's see how this goes. I did want to do like a little follow-up conversation regarding my hair. Obviously, I'm rocking a different style today. Just something in the back, just something pulled back so the hair is out of my way, but it's also in protective style. But what I've also been doing is journaling my hair journey, because again, this is my first time really managing my hair on my own, especially in a loose natural state. Prior to getting my locks, I had my hair permed, and it was only a 1-year transition before I locked my hair. So this is definitely a new journey for me. But I did want to say that this book, what's it called? It's the Ultimate Do-It-Yourself Hair Care Journal for a Successful Healthy Hair Journey, and I've been using this book to learn more about my hair, but to also document my experience as I continue to work on my hair and give it the care that it needs. So just wanted to mention this book. I'll provide a link in the description box, but definitely recommend it because it has some great advice in here. So yeah, let's get to this video. So the packaging for Lip Bar, it wasn't that special, I'll admit. And this is how it came wrapped up, like this. So yeah, but I'm still super excited because I hear some great things about Lip Bar, and I'm glad that it's a vegan brand and it is Black owned. So we got our melanated queens, or queen doing her thing. So I'm gonna put that to the side. And so the 4 colors that I got are, and they say it's beauty for all shades. That's exciting. So let's see, what's these colors named? So we got this Savage Brown. We have this Playmate Pink. Let's see how that goes. We have this Crown Me Royal Purple. Okay. Oh, it's gonna be looking cute. And then we have, what is this called? Oh, Boss Lady. So we got this Boss Lady, and even though it looks like red, it looks like a bright red, it has like a burgundy color. So we'll see. I've already prepped my lips. You know, I scrub, get all that dead skin off, and then I lightly apply chapstick so my lips are slightly moisturized, and so when I do put on my lipstick, it's not going on, dry lips. So the first color I'm going to try, you know what? I'm going to try this Playmate Pink first. And then I'm going to move to Boss Lady. Then I'm going to move to Savage Brown. And then the last is going to be Crown Me Purple, because I think this Crown Me going to look bomb. Alright, and look at this packaging. Oh, it's so cute. I like the casing of it. That's cute. Okay. All right, okay, Lip Bar. Funny in this thing. Oh, it's a twist. Don't pull. You twist it. Okay. So let me put on some Beyonce while I put this piece down. Because no review is complete without Queen Bee. Let's just just get that straight.
If you feel insignificant, you better think again. Better wake up because you're part of something way bigger. You're part of something way bigger, not just a speck in it.
Alright, so this is pretty pink. Pink is not my thing, but I like this pink. It's cute. It's really cute. It don't go with this necessarily dress, but it's a cute pink. Tuck that back in. I need y'all to see all that. I like how it goes on for the most part. It doesn't have to smell, which is great. It has good pigmentation. I don't know. It's pretty though. Oh, it dries fast. All right now. Ooh. Okay. That's wow, it dries real fast. Okay, little boy. You got to go. You got to go. You know what I'm saying? Don't make my lips feel funny. I don't have like a goosebumps feeling like some of these lipsticks be giving me. That's a very pretty pink. It dries fast, and I didn't get the chance to show the applicator. This is how the applicator looks. So this is how the pink looks. And for the most part, it's kind of true to color. Like, how it looks is... okay, maybe not always true to color, but... yeah, I like that. I like how fast it dries. Oh my goodness. Yes, I like this. And man, I thought I wasn't gonna like this pink. I ain't gonna lie, because I really don't like pinks. But man, this pink is cute. You have like a cute little floral dress on. Hey, 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 you got looking cute. Hey, hey, hey. All right now. And I only had to apply it once. Lip bar, you shouldn't have. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Just amazing. All right, so I will be back with the next color. I want to take this off, and if you haven't seen my videos before, how I remove my matte lipstick is with coconut oil. So I get a Q-tip, drench my Q-tip in coconut oil, and just wipe it away, and anything that's excess, I use a wet washcloth and I just wipe it off. I'll move on to our next color. Again, this is a twist off, not a pull. Do not pull, twist. All right. That's how it looks. I hope it's dark. I hope it's dark. All right, let's go. It's a rich red. Like, it's not as dark of a red as I wanted it to be, but it's a sexy red. And again, it dries fast. So like, you put it on, you do whatever you need to do, and you are good to go. So I'm going to take this off, and the next color we're going to do is the Savage Brown. Alright, so I've removed that Balm red lipstick. So we're going to go to the brown. This Savage Brown. So again, twist off. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright. The way it feels when it dries, like it feels like it's about to irritate my skin, but it doesn't, which is great. But it just feels a little, you can just feel it drying, and it just feels a little funny. I ain't gonna lie, feel a little funny. But it dries on great. I really like this brown. The brown reminds me of like a milk chocolate has a milk chocolate kind of color to it, which is slightly different from the Kat Von D brown lipstick, which is more, I think that has more of like a dark chocolate look to it, because when I put on the Kat Von D, it just kind of, it truly like blends in with my skin. This one kind of pokes out a little bit. Like, I feel like you can see like a hint of red in it. Maybe that's like the ring light, or I don't know. But it's cute. It's cute. Hey. And again, dries on great. I will say that during the drying process, it does feel a little funny. To me, it feels like it's about to irritate my skin, but it don't. So that's something to keep in mind. But yeah, this is really cute. Oh my goodness. Lip bar. This is so cool. Like, it's cool. I like lipstick. And like, this lipstick is making me super happy because, and we're gonna go to our last color. Now, last color is this Crown Me. I definitely like this Savage Brown. It's very cute. And again, dries on great. Has more of like a milk chocolate type of look to it, in my opinion. Yes. Lip bar be doing the damn thing. All right. So our last color again is this Crown Me Purple. Let's see how it goes. Again, twist. Do not pull. Do not pull. Twist. This purple is cute. Hello. I didn't put it on, you know, perfectly, but it's cute. It's not as dark as I thought it would be. It's still pretty dark. Let's wait for this to dry. My closing thoughts is that lip balm, not lip balm. I combine two words, lip bar and balm. Lip bar is the bomb. Like, these colors are super cute. The color that I thought I would not like, that pink is cute. The brown, I like how it's like a real milk chocolate type of brown. Like the other browns, they don't hit me like that because they're a little darker. But that milk chocolate type of brown, ooh, me like it. The red is Balm. I thought it was gonna be like a darker red, but still, like, it's like a Boss Lady red. It's like a red that, you know, like a traditional red lipstick that you would see. So like, yeah, it's Balm, like, and this purple is cute. And like, y'all should definitely try out Lip Bar. It's amazing. And on top of that, the lipstick don't be smelling funny. Like, the Kat Von D lipstick be smelling funny. And the other review I did for Sugar Pill, that lipstick has a slight smell to it too. But the Kat Von D smell is a little bit stronger. But y'all, the way it just dries and just like, it just moving with me. This lipstick is moving with me. I love it. I love it, you guys. I just love it. Yes, but that is all for me. Thank you all for watching Lipstick Affair, and I will see you all next. I'm having fun by myself. I'll see you all next time. Okay.